Ford is facing a major lawsuit over its EcoBoost V6 engine, which has faulty intake valves that could lead to catastrophic engine failure. This issue affects over 90,000 vehicles, including popular models like the Bronco and F-150. In response to the problem, Ford initiated a recall to replace the engines at no cost to affected owners. Those who paid for repairs may also be eligible for reimbursement. However, a class action lawsuit filed in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan argues that this remedy is inadequate. The lawsuit claims consumers have overpaid for defective vehicles and demands a more comprehensive solution. Matthew Barkus, a Ford F-150 owner, expressed frustration, stating that Ford has not provided an adequate remedy, such as replacing the defective valves or compensating consumers for their overpayments. This lawsuit adds to Ford's ongoing legal troubles, including a significant $1.3 billion lawsuit related to these engine defects. As the situation develops, affected owners are left seeking justice and a resolution to their concerns.